should we have a photograph in our resume or not? It's totally your choice. If you think it is appropriate, do it. If you don't think it's appropriate, don't do it. I used to personally put photograph in my CV, or the same image that you're seeing on the poster that might have been given to you. I put that for 3 years on my profile. Last year I removed it. I used to think having a photo will help them recognize me. Now I don't think so. Some organizations want you to have a photograph. Most people think it's discriminatory to have a photograph. Gives them a chance to judge you on your looks, judge you on your gender, judge you on the color of your skin. And it is true. Let me tell you, it's not false. A good number of us, naturally as humans, judge the other person on the look, on how they come across, on what's the general aura, right? A photograph can speak a lot more than your CV alone will. So ideally, in today's date and time, I think photographs should not be there. But if you really think you would like to, if you really want to, I don't think there is anything wrong with it. I'll tell you why. A resume is a complete reflection of who you are. If you want to be a very friendly person, very chirpy person, very outward person, extrovert, having a photograph, having a couple of things like hobbies and interests will help you. If you're a very professional individual, driven by the sense of only work, work and work, workaholic, a photograph or hobbies and interests might not help you. Maybe mentioning 2 more things that you've done as an extracurricular might help you. Whatever you write in your CV needs to cross a 2-point test. The first, anything and everything has to look and be read as a professional document. The language, the font, the size, the color, the design, the crispness, all of that needs to reflect that of a professional document. The second test, does that resume reflect you? If your interviewer or your partner is going to talk to you, will they feel like they're talking to you, or do they feel like they're talking to 2 different individuals, one in the CV, one in real life? If that happens, I'd be like, hey, I did not get the same vibe from him. Maybe, he or she is not lying, telling the truth on the CV. Maybe it's just, a lot of it is fabbed up. Can you just, run it by references, or can you just check it with more people, or let's just put them on hold? If you pass the 2 tests, repeating it again, number 1, a professional outlook. And second, if it reflects you, then I think you have it on point. But please remember the third and unsaid rule. All your resumes and profiles need to be customized to the end user and end reader. It cannot be one size that fits all.